Ready for the ultimate battle? Let's do this. Ready? Lightning Cloak, open! I'm going to show you what it's like to fight the son of the first Raikage. Countered. Lightning style Thunderbolt! You can't hit me with that. I'm too quick for you. Oh. He's too quick. Am I going to lose like this? Father, I won't disappoint you. You can't hit me with your attacks. I'm too quick for you. Take this. And some of this. Watch this. I'm going to run out of chakra. He's getting distance on me. I'm out of chakra. How am I going to beat him now? I don't need chakra to win. I'm delusional, son of the first Raikage, A-rank Chunin, from the Cloud Village. What? You've gotten stronger. I ate that. Son! How was he so strong? He wasn't this strong before. I've got to counter him. There's only one way I can win this fight now. I've got like 0.1% chakra. It's time to get serious. This fight is over.